Hey guys, welcome to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show this wonderful casting to you guys. This one. So this is a Greenlight 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. So this is I bought it like for let's see, $17 in Australia. I think it's a bit cheaper in US, as I know, because I've seen few YouTubers done some unboxing of Greenlight this sort of castings before. But anyway, I have some. I don't have much Greenlight, but I collect pickup trucks because Greenlight do an amazing job on these pickup trucks, especially Ford and Chevy. So just thought to buy this one and add it to my Chevy collection. So talking about the packaging, it's a normal Greenlight package, plastic one, and this is a exclusive to hobby exclusive, and this is a Indica safety team safety pickup, and this one is a limited edition. If you can see, limited edition one, and check the back side, you can see all the sponsors: Chevy, Hallmark, Global Medical, and all these stuff, and it says official licensed product over here. All right, let's open this one now. All right, let's cut this thing open. I don't want to save this one because I have a separate plastic box. Collect all these my Greenlight collection. Right, so as you all know, Greenlight comes with a sort of a holder plastic case, so it's all right. So this plastic lid, and here's the car. I'll zoom it in a bit. So there you go. So starting from the base, similar to all the other Greenlights, it's a metal base. It says Chevy Silverado used and license. I'm not sure about what this 1737 number is. And you can see the spare wheel, it's metal as well, so I'm not sure how practical is this one. So anyway, if you check the front, you can see all these details: detailed grill, Chevy logo. It's not plastic headlights. I think it's just mounted. It's steel or something. Anyway, it's painted front lights and chrome bumper, detailed fog lights as well, and in the hood you can see the Chevy logo, and it's a bit damaged anyway, and you can see the Chevrolet logo on the windscreen as well. Safety AMR logo, Indica safety team. Wow, beautiful casting. And check this out, check this rear. It has all the details, you know, the hose, toolbox, what is this, life jackets, anyway, and some exhaust as well, exhaust pipes. Wow, beautiful. And this rack, isn't it cool, huh? And it has these side mirrors as well. So overall, beautiful casting. I'm gonna put this one in my Chevy display, and I'll take a few photos of this casting, and I'll upload those photos in my Instagram page. So please go to my Instagram, Diecast Beast, give it a subscribe, follow my Instagram page, subscribe my YouTube channel just down here, and please share your comments and thoughts about my videos. So this is just a quick one, so I just wanted to show you guys how I'm opening this one and how cool is this casting. So I give 9 out of 10 for this casting, and you know, it's beautiful, it's perfect. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys with another video soon. Bye.